Today we're using a natural black. The hair is Afro Kinky bulk. It's 22 inches and it's 100% human hair. This hair is so soft. All right, let's reduce the chit chat and get into the hair because I'm excited. So the hair I'm using for each twist, I divide that into 2 equal parts. And then I go to the very end of both. So this is like the length of the hair. I go to the very end of both, probably about like 2 inches of both hair, and I cross it like that. That gives me more length for my twist.